A new kind of conflict has erupted, a global war fought not with the crude weapons of the past, but with the terrifying precision of the future. This is a war of technology, of circuits and steel, where the battlefield has no boundaries and humanity's very existence hangs in the balance. From the skies, a new terror descends. Swarms of intelligent drones, numbering in the thousands, move as one organism. Their synchronized attacks are a horrifying ballet of destruction, overwhelming traditional air defenses with sheer numbers and coordinated tactics. They are the eyes, ears, and talons of the modern army, relentless and emotionless, executing their programming with chilling efficiency. Beneath them, the streets become a war zone. Behold the soldier of 2050. Encased in advanced exosuits, these warriors are more than human. The powered armor amplifies their strength and speed, allowing them to leap across rooftops and punch through concrete walls. Integrated heads-up displays feed them real-time battlefield data, painting targets and threats directly onto their vision. They are the new vanguard, a fusion of flesh and machinery, striding through the urban chaos like titans of old. But even these super soldiers are dwarfed by the true behemoths of this war. The mech robots, towering over buildings. These multi-ton war machines stalk the city streets. Their heavy cannons can level entire blocks, and their reinforced armor shrugs off conventional firepower. Each step they take shakes the very foundations of the city, a thunderous announcement of impending doom. They are the ultimate expression of mechanized warfare, terrifying in their scale and power. On the ground, the conflict rages with new intensity. Robotic tanks, guided by sophisticated AI, patrol the shattered avenues. They operate with a cold logic that no human commander can match, identifying and eliminating threats with ruthless precision. Their main guns glow with contained energy, unleashing devastating blasts of plasma that can melt through steel and turn sand to glass. These are not just weapons. They are autonomous predators hunting in the urban jungle. The skies are a maelstrom of advanced aerial combat, hypersonic jets, moving at speeds that defy belief, engage in dizzying dogfights above the clouds. They leave fiery trails in their wake, streaking across the stratosphere like vengeful comets. Their pilots, strapped into high-G cockpits, push their machines and their own bodies to the absolute limit, locked in a deadly dance where a single mistake means instant oblivion. The roar of their engines is the sound of the future tearing itself apart. But the war is not confined to our planet's surface. High in the silent vacuum of orbit, a new front has opened. Space battle stations, bristling with advanced weaponry, have become the ultimate high ground. They are the silent hunters of the deep, carrying payloads capable of triggering tsunamis or striking coastal cities from beneath the waves. In the murky blackness, they play a tense game of cat and mouse, where the first to be detected is the first to be destroyed. The very laws of physics seem to be rewritten on this battlefield. As cities burn and oceans churn, holographic technology adds a surreal layer to the chaos. Ghostly images of decoy troops and vehicles are projected onto the battlefield, creating phantom armies to confuse and misdirect the enemy. Soldiers fight against mirages, wasting precious ammunition on illusions while the real threat closes in. It's a war of perception, where seeing is no longer believing. And the line between reality and deception blurs into nothing. This is the face of war in 2050. A symphony of destruction played with instruments of light and energy, of AI and quantum mechanics. It is fought in our cities, our skies, our oceans, and even in the cold expanse of space. Every new technology, every brilliant innovation has been twisted into a weapon of unprecedented power. The future we dreamed of has become a nightmare we must survive. As we witness these ultra-realistic scenes of conflict, we are left with a chilling question. Is this the inevitable endpoint of our technological arms race? In our relentless pursuit of power, have we sown the seeds of our own destruction? The dark sci-fi atmosphere of 2050 is not just a vision of a possible future. It is a warning that the greatest threat to humanity may not come from the stars, but from the darkness within ourselves. Thank you for watching this glimpse.